Hello, my name is Elena. This is the first video in my series Delicious Peruvian Cooking in 20 minutes. I am going to prepare for you a dish that we call Seco, S-E-C-O, Seco. It is simply to prepare, delicious and nutritious. It can be prepared with chicken or beef. Today I will prepare with chicken breast, but you can use dark meat like legs or thighs. The base of this dish is a delicious sauce of cilantro, onion. These are the ingredients that we are going to use in this dish: cilantro, garlic, chicken broth, 1 cup, 1 medium-sized onion, very small chop, garlic and comino, half of a lime, and we're going to put the juice. This is ají, yellow pepper, I will tell you later about this, and 3 potatoes cut in quarters. Right now are in water so that they get black. And put 2 or 3 spoons of vegetable oil to get hot. Cover the bottom of the pot, and then I'm going to salt and pepper the pieces of meat. It's nice and hot, and it's going to make golden the meat. We are doing for 4 people, so it's a breast of chicken cut in large pieces like this. It's in time. Have enough salt and pepper, and this keep browning. What we have here is ají amarillo in a paste, and this is to give a kick flavor to the sauce. And this you can find it in a Latin store. They have some supermarkets too, but if they don't have this, if you cannot find the Peruvian ají amarillo, you are going to use some hot sauce that you will have. It's just 1 teaspoon of any of these two, of the ají amarillo or the we are going to add to half a glass or a little more of white wine. Let you know how I did the cilantro sauce. It is like this is too little, but I put like 3/4 of a cup of cilantro. After you wash it very well in cold water, you just turn it in pieces and put it in your blender with 1/3 of cup of water, 2 cloves of garlic, some salt, a pinch of salt and pepper, and you just go in your blender and you make it like this is a liquid. This dish Seco, the chicken is already brown, so I'm going to put the onion that is chopped to put at the side all the meat, and now we will add the onion and let it there to make it soft and a little translucent. Now that the onions are done, it's translucent and yellow, we are going to add the garlic and like 1/4 of a teaspoon of comino. I have 3 garlics here, very well chopped. I'm putting 4 because you don't want to burn it. Now you mix the meat, turn it down, then put medium. Put it this side everything there, and we are going to add our main ingredient, the cilantro. Add to the cilantro the ají. I'm going to put this in this spoon. This spoon ají. And then later we will taste it. If we want more, we'll do more. You have to cook a little bit the cilantro. The cilantro has to be cooked there for a few minutes, 2 minutes. You will add the cilantro for 2 minutes. And then we are going to add the white wine. Let's go with the wine. That's it. Let's wait for 2 more minutes, and we are going to take the potatoes with the water. Put in water, in cold water, so they doesn't get dark, the potatoes, to keep them from getting dark. Going to put now the chicken broth. Is a cup here of chicken broth. I make it with a 1 bouillon, chicken bouillon, and 1 cup of hot water. Now we add the potatoes. Now we are going to add some more water. A cup of water. I'm going to add more salt. Like a teaspoon of salt, yeah? Mm-hmm. I have here about 2 cups of peas and carrots that they are frozen. I use frozen because they are very tasty. The potatoes are almost done. So we are going to add the peas and the carrots. The frozen peas and carrots. I'm going to turn this off. This is ready. Move out of the heat. I'm going to squeeze the lime. We're going to taste how it became this seco. We have the white rice here. I'm going to serve the chicken, the potatoes with the carrots and peas, and the sauce. See, it's a lot of juice. Another piece of chicken. And there you have the seco with white rice. Please let me know how do you like.